Hi everyone, welcome to Module 6 of Useful Genetics, where we're going to talk about the very exciting new field of personal genomics. We'll start with how personal genomics is used for identification, primarily by the legal system with DNA fingerprinting, and then physician-ordered tests that let us find out the genotype for just one gene. But then, after a little detour to one of my favorite websites, HapMap, we'll consider how genome-wide association studies have enabled us to use SNP typing to predict our phenotype for many, many different traits. We'll talk about how the same information can be used to infer your ancestry. And then there's a selection of other topics, more advanced ways of analyzing your genes, ethical issues that come up, very interesting things people are doing with the personal genomics of pets and livestock, and the role of DNA typing in ecology. Also going on this week, of course, are problems and problems for discussion, our discussion forums, and two other important things. The first is the second stage of our Peer Explain Assignment B, where you'll be doing the training and assessment activity, and then lastly, the final exam. Now, in the Peer Explain assignment, as before, you're writing an explanation to a sort of popular interest question, and then beginning this week, you will be assessing other student submissions. The details are as before. This week, you're preparing your submission. It's due by Sunday midnight at the same time as the Module 5 graded quiz. At that point, everybody who's submitted an assignment will move into the evaluation and training stage, where they'll first complete 3 training submissions and then evaluate 3 or more submissions from fellow students, and then get to see their results. As a reminder, if you don't submit an explanation by the first Sunday midnight deadline, you won't be able to participate in Part 2 and you won't get any grade. Now, coming up next is Lecture 6A, where we're going to talk about DNA fingerprinting. I hope to see you there.